Nigeria is arrogant. Nigeria is proud. Nigeria, they love money. Nigeria, they are not corporate. They don't love themselves. So before you click out from this video, or before you conclude, or before you leave annoying comments, you leave any comment that you, if someone dropped for you, you will not accept it. Before you drop it on this video comment section, try and stay from the beginning to the end and see how the video ended, so that you will know what you will comment. Hello my people, welcome back to my channel. Yes, now maybe that. Welcome back to my channel. Today is the first time coming up with the Lenam. And one day we go Sabian. And if you see they follow me, you're gonna say I'm not going to university. So in today's video, I'm going to be reacting or talking about the other video I did about things I love Ghanaian for, or things I love about Ghana. Yes. I got some comment that brings my attention to this very video.
And before we go ahead into this video, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe. Put on the notification bell so that you don't miss any video from this channel. Thank you.
Some comment I got, it was like maybe I am saying my country is not good. I never said my country is not good. I know so many of you will not like this video I'm going to do right now, but it's fine. Everybody will never agree to everything you talked about or everything you just say, and don't expect that. Yes, someone else DM me that how long did you know Ghanaians, and that was a good question. As we all know, especially we that is outside Nigeria, as I said earlier, we have met with different people. I have traveled and I have met with different countries and different characteristics. That brings me to that video but I were there to say what I knew and how I feel about Ghana people. Apart from that, I also watch a video. I come across a video on this YouTube. On that video, that person were just saying what they think about Nigeria, what they think about Nigeria people. Oh my friend, let me name. He said they think that Nigeria is arrogant, Nigeria is proud, Nigeria, they love money, Nigeria, they are not cooperating, they don't love themselves. I will not say you are right with those words. No, I will not say you are right. But one thing I will say is that in other way, you are right. And in other way, I will also prove you wrong. Why I am proving you wrong is that we all know we always have bad people in the country. Yes, we have bad people in the country. If the bad egg is more than the good eggs, when the bad eggs overshadow the good eggs, that is when people comes out to think this is how these people are, this is how these people behave. There are so many bad eggs that Nigeria produced. Yes, I said so. First of all, we know our leader have just spoiled everything. Yes, they are not contributing at all. The second one is that we the citizen, we are also manifesting the same character we are complaining about the leaders. You can see the reason why I prove you wrong and I also prove you right. So I prove you wrong because the bad eggs overshadow the good egg. Why I prove you right as well is that our country has bad people, but when the bad one is more than the good one, people will think what you are just thinking. I will tell you a little story about myself, why I said Ghana are good, or Ghanaians, I love them. Since I left my country, which is Nigeria or Nigeria, year 2011, and now we are in year 2021. So that is almost 10 years since I left Nigeria. And I landed in Spain. Yes, I landed in Spain. When I got to Spain, I see how they behave when you said you are from Nigeria. I mean, the kind of attitude they bring out when you said you are Nigeria. So, not just only you thinking such thoughts, but other country. In this Europe, in other countries, so many countries think such thing towards Nigeria. All my complaint was, oh my God, do you think I can stay here? They don't like Nigeria. They don't love Nigeria. I was just calling people back home that, so those white people you are talking about, they don't like Nigeria. I think that was just only Spain. But I never knew that is all over the country. Like, that is what all of the country think about Nigeria. So don't be angry when somebody said, Nigeria, you are not good. Nigeria, you are proud. Nigeria, you guys are not united. Don't be angry. You have to hear that side of the story of that person before you react. I know, say, nobody will not like it him, or nobody will not like make them praise is something. But sometimes, let us come to the reality. I was complaining and I decided to leave Spain. I came to Italy. As I arrived to Italy, because I heard that in Italy they love blacks, they love blacks, but actually it's not Nigeria people. Yes, it's not Nigeria people. We find, yes, Nigeria, we find well. Once they see us, we find small like this, they will just try and conclude that, where are you from? Are you from Eritrea? Are you from Ethiopia? With the excitement that person will be using to interview you, immediately you said you are from Nigeria. That excitement is gone. Like, unless that person that is not racist, like that is that one that love or like black for some reasons. When you say you are from other country, they accommodate you. Yes, they love you. But when you said you are from Nigeria, after then, I went to France because I heard that France accommodate blacks, they love blacks, they do this, they do that. I decided to go to France as well. Although France is accommodating, only when you know how to speak their language, which is a French language. They may just think that you were born and brought up in that place. So I think they will be free to you, they will be free. Like, when I saw that the same thing is also going on there, like when you said you are Nigeria, some people will not want to associate with you. Maybe it's someone who wanted to help you, you will just lose that help. Like, you will just lose the help immediately. Don't come to this comment section and say, okay, if not, so deny your country now. I mean, there are so many of us here. There are so many people that came from Nigeria that deny Nigeria, that don't want to say they are from Nigeria. So don't say that. Oh, you'll be praying to meet white people that love black. When you said black, make sure it that Nigeria. Because when you said you are from Ghana, they will love you. When you say you are from Eritrea, they will love you. When you are say from Ethiopia, they will love you. When you say you are from every other country, they will love you. If maybe you have experienced like staying in a camp, you will know what I'm talking about. If there is other country in the same place with you, where you live or where you stay in your camp, before they help Nigeria people, they will first of all help other countries. I was so concerned of all these things. So these things were just eating me off. Like, it were just eating me. I decided to visit Germany. Or when I arrived in Germany, I take my baby. Then I have my first baby already. I take her to playing ground where we can relax ourselves. And someone came and asked me, "Where are you from? Where are you from?" Do you know that I never reasoned, as in I forgot all those negative thoughts about what people think about Nigeria. I said I am from Nigeria. Immediately, that person, he ended all the conversation. He ended everything immediately because he never expected that I am from Nigeria. He mentioned a country which I don't even have an idea of. She mentioned that country and I said, no, I'm not from that country, but I am from Nigeria. I don't know what she wanted to talk about, but immediately I said I am from Nigeria. She ended all the conversation. I am not saying that there are no white people who love Nigeria, like who love our country people, but it's very few of them. It's very few. I know everybody may not agree to this. Everybody will never accept it. But remember, Nigeria is not for only one person. Nigeria is for every one of us. Yes, we cannot deny the country. If you did not agree and you find it so annoying for me saying these things about your country or about my country, come out, do a video and talk better things about Nigeria. And make sure you open the comment section and let us see those people that will come and comment. Let us see those commenters that is going to prove you right. Like that video I did, if you go to that comment section, even my Nigeria people, they confirmed, many of them confirmed it, that they have associated with Ghana people, they have visited Ghanaian, they have met with good people, which is Ghanaian. Let us be real. We know all of us are one. We are one family. But let us prove ourselves as the giant of Africa we are. Let's prove ourselves like the giant of Africa we are. Let us learn from these people. Let's learn how to love each other. Let's learn how to appreciate each other. I am not doing this to bring us down, but let us know the right things to do. So guys, I will not allow this video to be too long. I have run enough today. Like, this is not my usual video, but I am also happy to do this. And I want to say a very big thank you to all those Ghanaian family that came. I really do appreciate you all. You guys are awesome. I am saying it again and again and again. You guys are awesome people. I appreciate all the love, like all the love. For the Ghana food, I promised you guys that I'm going to be making. Give me time, I'm going to make those food, but I will try and get those ingredients that I need for those food. Just be patient with me. Stay tuned to my channel. I so much appreciate it all. If you enjoyed the video, before you waka come on, give this video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Yes, subscribe and you will never regret it. Make sure you share to your friends and family. Thank you for staying tuned to this video. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.